This is a real game changer. Say goodbye to hours spent searching for sound effects because 11 Labs has now released text to sound effects. Take a look.
In the beginning, silence shaped the cosmos, waiting for the breath of sound to unmute our world. But now dreams can be heard, not just seen. That's right. Create any sound you can imagine.
Whoa.
Everything you heard in this video was AI generated. This is going to be very helpful for content creators, game developers, film and TV studios, as everyone uses sound effects to make rich and immersive content, which with this can be done very quickly and cost efficiently. You can create any sound you can imagine. So share it with someone that might need this and follow for more AI stuff.